Hello guys, welcome again to this video. In this video we want to look at lists again, but we want to look at list slicing and indexing, a little bit about it briefly. So opening our VS Code again, and in our working file that we had, this GitHub Copilot thing is crazy. Okay, so let's comment out the printing here because we are going to use that list. So what we want to talk about is indexing mainly and slicing. So we've seen that indexing is easy. We can access any item by putting a value, as long as we know the item is there, and by doing that we can get the item. Indexing, easy peasy. So the element at position 0 is iPhone 15 Pro, sneakers at position 1, and trousers at position 2. Maybe we can include items in this list, like your JBL headsets. We can include like maybe a belt. Maybe we can include underwears. Okay, so this is indexing, as we've seen. But what if we want to access items like from here to there? So that means we are going to extract things from the list. Okay, and that's what we call list slicing. So we want to slice that list. And how do we slice the list? We want to print what? Okay, let's create a variable here called slice, or slice is a keyword. Slice list. Okay, and we want to slice from position. We need to name the list. Shopping cart from position of sneakers, which is position 1. Okay, so we need sneakers, we need trousers, and JBL. We need all this. So 1, 2, 3. But if we need this inclusive, then we have to extend it to 4. So, and let's see what comes out of that. Oh, we need to print. So print slice list, and on printing, yes, as you can see, so we have sneakers, trousers, and JBL headsets. So I needed to talk about this briefly because we are going to need it when we are combining a lot of things that we've learned. Not a lot, but we really need it. And if you kind of savvy enough, you'll be looking at people's codes and you will see such kind of code where you have these square brackets and there is something like this. So it's a powerful tool in your inbox, and you can experiment it with more examples of your own. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.